and happy September. It's Ann here from On Staff USA, here to talk to you about some great open positions we have this week, along with 7 helpful tips for the 21st century job seeker. So we've got some great things happening this week. I know we're rolling into September. Maybe you're going back to school, maybe you're looking for a new job. Regardless, here are some tips to help you find what you're looking for. So step number 1, know what you're looking for. I know that might seem a little bit obvious, but for some it's a little bit challenging. You need to really define exactly what you're looking for, so when you're making those searches, possibly online, maybe in the newspaper, that you can actually find the things that are more apt to what you're looking for. So know what you're looking for so you can find what you're looking for. Number 2, do your research. So you find this company and this position that you want to apply for. Maybe you should do a little bit of research on the company, or maybe exactly the details that are in the position. Do your research because you want to make sure that you are applying to a position that, number 1, you're qualified for, and number 2, that you want to work for. Because what is the point in wasting your time in applying somewhere where you do not want to work? Number 3, know what they're looking for. So hopefully they've got a detailed job description for the person and the client that they're looking for, and maybe you fit that perfectly, but make sure that you know maybe what type of person that they are looking for, and hopefully you'll fit the bill. Number 4, tailor your resume and cover letter to the recipient. So let's say that you're applying for a sales job, but you're mostly focused in another area of business like marketing. Maybe tailor it a little bit more to the sales so that you can market your experience that are in sales as opposed to other positions that you've had. So that's another technique. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Make sure that you're selling yourself in that cover letter. Follow up always is step number 5. I know it's kind of challenging sometimes because they don't give you an address of a person to follow up with, but if possible, follow up always just to see how your application is doing. Without being too persistent there. You don't want to be bothersome. Okay, number 6, keep your social media in check. So this is the digital age, as it points out here in this article, and you're going to want to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date, maybe your Twitter page is up to date, and your Facebook as well. Make sure that you're portraying the message that you want your future employers to see. You do not want to have some unprofessional pictures on there, negative statuses, possibly bashing other companies that you've worked for. Those are all negative things that employers are going to see immediately as red flags. So definitely keep your social media in check. And last but not least, number 7, if all else fails, seek greener pastures. Not every job position is for you, and that is important to accept. There are many opportunities out here in this world, so if it's just not working out, look for greener pastures. Speaking of greener pastures, OnStaff has a bunch of open positions this week, and we would love to speak with you about them. So if you have any curiosities about certain positions and you've already applied online, definitely give us a call so we can talk about those opportunities. So this week we've got an administrative assistant position, several assembly positions, especially second shifters if that's what you're looking for, a couple of assistant positions, several buyer positions, a CNC operator starting at $13 per hour, a couple of customer service which ranges between $11.35 and $13 per hour, a design engineer, a driver, and a bunch of engineering positions. We have several inspecting and packaging positions, and those hourly rates start at $8 and go up to $8.40. A couple lab tech positions, a labor position which starts at $9 per hour and which is a temp to hire position, a line load position, a couple of machine operators and material handlers, and let's see, we have a painter position along with a quality control and quality engineer. We have a bunch of warehouse positions as well as some new welding positions. So if any of those sparked your interest in what you are looking for, please refer to our website to get more details on those. Please also know that we have 5 different offices in Southwest Michigan. We're not just in Portage. So make sure that you're checking out all of the different possibilities in Southwest Michigan. Especially now that we have some new positions that we're hiring for in the Vicksburg area. So if that fits what you're looking for, then please apply online with us. Don't forget about our referral bonus, which is amazing. If you know people that are looking for work, you can just quick fill out their information online and you can win a referral bonus. So I hope to hear from you all soon. Please apply online and we will see you shortly.